EmPower is the most amazing first part of a conversation that our students in Gloucestershire and the wider area can come and get some real hands-on experience contacting with industry and learn what cyber and tech is all about. We have IBM, we have Raytheon, we have CACI, we have Atkins Realis, the University of Gloucestershire, Microsoft, Northrop Grumman. We have some amazing names that are international. They know how important it is to encourage our young adults to be invested in tech.
So Jeff traveled all the way from Kenya, landed yesterday,
Sunday.
Yeah. And he's here to see all this. And how much have you been inspired?
Yeah. Well, this is amazing. Today, I expected to be a small event, industry, but to see all these children here, interested in what cybersecurity has to offer.
It's really fun to be engaging with the businesses around. You get to learn a lot about what they do, how they do it, and you get to ask a lot of questions about their jobs.
And when we engage with the students, we just love how positive they are. So they're usually smiling throughout, and we love how, how determined they are.
As a company working in software, we understand that our industry is only really as healthy as the recruitment path into it. So we like working with schools, trying to smooth that on-ramp, tell people what the job really involves, and make sure that it's accurately represented, give people a chance to engage with it in a playful way.
Our highlight of the day has been working with you guys, with the robots actually. Programming and seeing programming in action, I think, is what the students have enjoyed the most, definitely.
I quite like computing, and obviously I've got to choose my options this year, so it's a good opportunity to learn about what I'd be doing and getting myself into in computer science.
This is our cube. So it is a problem-solving tool. This is a Caesar cipher. So students get to work through and solve different problems. We've got a student who's doing it at the moment, and then as we go through, we have got encrypted activities where students get to go through a bit of intel and try and solve different problems.